Hello guys, welcome to another section of my videos. In today's section, I'm just going to show you very quick on how I do my analysis during the weekend. Okay, the top-down analysis, that is from the higher time frame all the way to the lower time frame where I look for an entry. Okay, so this video is not going to be long. I'm just going to make everything very quick so that you wouldn't waste much time watching this video. I just want you to grab the knowledge that is in this video. Okay, so what I do when I'm doing my analysis is I go to the higher time frame. That is, at times I come to the weekly or I go to the monthly, but mostly I start from the weekly. For the purpose of this video, let me go to the monthly so that we all take it from the monthly all the way to the down. So from the monthly, I can see that, as you can see, I've done my analysis. This thing is here. So from the monthly is telling me that market is bearish because you'll be dropping all the way from here. So market is bearish on the monthly, as we can all see. So we go to the weekly. Let's go to the weekly and see what is happening on the weekly time frame. So when you come to the weekly, as you can see as well, we are creating a lower low. Okay, we are creating a lower low. As you can see, we are creating a lower low. So quickly, what you have to do is weekly is also what? Bearish. You have monthly bearish, weekly bearish. Okay. So what you have to be looking out for, you look for a pullback, then you sell. That is all that we have to be looking out for. So let's go to daily and see what is happening on the daily. So the daily, we are on the daily right now. Let's see what is happening. The daily is also telling us, as you can see, the daily is telling us that we are in a downtrend. Okay, we are in a bearish market. Okay, that is why the daily I'll have what bearish market over here. So everything is pointing to the downside, monthly, weekly, daily, all pointing bearish. Okay, so now let's go to the 4 hour where we look for our entry positions. So all we are going to be thinking about is what a sell position. Okay, because since all the higher time frame are in line that market is bearish, you don't want to go against that. You want to follow it. You want to follow where the market is going. So when I come to my 4 hour, okay, when I come to my 4 hour, what I do mostly is I mark the highs and the lows to determine whether market has changed direction or not. Okay, to determine whether market has changed direction or not. So I'm quickly just going to take it from this angle for you. So as you can see from this high, okay, from this high we created this low. So let me start from this side. Okay, so we created a high, then we came down and we broke this high to this, creating this new high. Okay, so this high was here. All of a sudden we came to break this low over here caused by this. So this become our new high, this one. And where is our recent low? This becomes our low. Okay, so as this become our low, we got broken to the downside. We have it here. Where is the new low? The new low is here. So as all this thing is happening, you are looking for sell positions. Okay, so over here, this high got broken. Okay, got broken and creating new high. So this is our new high. And what is the low that caused that? The low that caused that was here. Okay, this was not a significant breaker. This was a weak out, so I did consider that one. So this was the low that caused that one to break. Okay, now as we are watching this, we see that market has been ranging in all these positions. Over here, all you be looking for is a sell positions. Okay, a sell position, but you have to be very, very careful when you are trading a ranging market. Okay, so still we can see that this high is still the same throughout all the way to this point, all the way to this point. Okay, now where is the low? The low is still the same. Okay, the low is this one, and that low got wicked out over here. Okay, it got broken over here. As you can see, the low got broken, a candle has closed below it, so that has given us a new low. That has given us a new low. So I take my rectangle to my line, and quickly I position my low. Okay, so that is it. I've already put a green line over there. So let me just get rid of this one. Now, where is the high that caused the break? The high that caused the break was this one. Okay, so I move this high to this region. That is why I have that line over there. Okay, so 4 hour is telling me bearish, and I have some small trend line here, which is a downtrend, but overall direction is a downtrend. But for a quick scalp, I had a break of this uh, trend line. But first, this trade I took it, I explained it in my previous video. The reason why I took this trade, because you'll be ranging and markets has approached this support level, and I have my entry confirmation for a reason why I've taken this trade. And I saw a pullback, a retest of the trend line, so that is why I test it, and that is why I've taken it. And also, if I've taken my head and shoulder pattern to head and shoulder pattern, you can see that we have formed a beautiful head and shoulder pattern. So we have left shoulder, neckline, we have the head, neckline, the right shoulder, then we broke it. Okay, so this is just a simple recap for you. I will do another video on the chart pattern where I will talk about head and shoulder properly, but this was also another reason for me to get into this trade. And as I saw this pullback, you see that my entry has formed at the retest of this trend line, a break and retest of this trend line. My entry has formed, and I explained in my other video that this will probably come to this region before rejecting to the downside. Okay, so this trade has already hit my TP. It was a quick scalp, 1:2 risks to reward, which I've taken my profit already, and this market is still rolling up. So what I'm expecting is I will be expecting a rejection and looking for my entry confirmation here to go short. Okay, to go short, because my recent high is here and my recent low is here, and we have approached close towards our recent high, and there's a resistance line there that is telling me the market may probably reject. And overall, we know that market is bearish. Okay, as you can see, overall market is bearish. So I'm waiting for my entry confirmation for a sell opportunity. That is why that is how I do my analysis from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. I believe this video will help you in doing your analysis. Okay, you just have to make sure that all the higher time frame are in the same direction. So you have bearish, 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 all of them is in the same direction. But because of this reason, I have taken quick this one. You have to be very careful. Okay, this is just a retracement. You have to be very careful. This trade could pull back to the downside. Okay, so uh, that is why in my take profit are very short. I have to be quick and get out quick. So my expectation is I want to see a sell entry, then I'll sell. Or if this high got broken, then I will expect that another one creating a new high. I will expect another one to break it. The video the way I talk about how to detect the change in direction of the market. We have to see two odds, two structure forming. Okay, first one coming back, second one breaking it. Then we know the market has changed direction. So that is how I do my analysis. But let me show you one thing on UJ. That's USD JPY, my favorite pair, which I have done some analysis, but market has refused to come to my area of interest. So I'm still waiting to see what will happen. Okay. So as you can see, I've done this analysis also from the higher time frame, and all the time frame is in sync. They are all in the same direction. Okay. I've done this analysis for a while now, and they are all in the same direction: monthly bullish, daily bullish, weekly bullish, 4 hour bullish. So I'm just waiting for pullback for this resistance level. And when I take mine head and shoulder pattern, you could see that we have left shoulder, neckline, head, neckline, right shoulder, then we broke it. So what should we expect? We should expect a retest of the neckline. And mostly when a trend, head and shoulder pattern forms in in an uptrend or in the same direction as the market, it's very powerful. Just wait for your entry confirmation and the neckline, then take it. I would have taken this trade at this level, but because of NFP here at the head level here, actually this is 50 Fibonacci level. I was waiting. This engulfing candle has given an entry level, but this huge one was NFP. So NFP was coming. That is why I didn't take it. I don't know what is going to happen NFP, so I didn't take it, and I missed all this trade all the way up to here. So my expectation is UJ will drop all the way to somewhere here and give me an entry confirmation. So as you can see, UJ has formed some sort of a channel which we may probably come back then, probably go to test the uptrend. So that is it, guys. That is it. You just have to follow your analysis from the higher time frame and lower time frame. You can start from the weekly, daily, and 4 hour, or you can start from the daily 4 hour and the 1 hour. But just make sure that the 3 or the 4 time frame that you are dealing with, they are all in the same direction. Okay, so that is it. Or if they are all in the same direction, but you want to trade against it, that should be a very quick scalp. And so you should take your profit quick, or you should minimize your risk when you are taking such a trade against the trend, overall trend. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Share the video to your friend. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.